All right, WMC, here's the video to find the winner of the 1957 Topps Baseball Card Mystery Box. We'll check the time as April 19th at 4:53 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got April 19th at 4:53 p.m. Here's the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That'll work 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. Oops. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh Spot 15 is your winner. So Josh, please get with me so I can send the cards to you. We need our verification code and our timestamp once again, April 19th at 4:54 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.